So hi everyone, I am Subhadeep. So today in this video I will explain this question, and this was asked in 2023 paper 2 JEE Advanced. So what is given? Consider an obtuse triangle ABC in which the difference between largest and smallest angle is pi by 2 and whose sides are in arithmetic progression. So let us draw the diagram. So suppose this is, so let us draw first the triangle circumference, then draw the triangle. So suppose this is our triangle, so this is our triangle, and this is ABC. Now suppose this angle is T and this is the smallest angle, so our smallest angle is T. So what is the largest angle? So largest angle will be pi by 2 plus t, because difference between largest and smallest angle is pi by 2, so this will be pi by 2 plus t. Then what will be this angle? So this is smallest angle, angle A, and this is largest angle, angle B. And what will be angle C? So angle C will be pi, total pi, minus t, minus pi by 2 minus t. So this will be pi by 2 minus 2t. Right, now we know that for a triangle ABC, A by sine A equals to B by sine B equals to C by sine C equals to 2r, where r is the radius of this triangle circumference. Right, so this is implies that what is our angle? This is angle A. So in front of that, this is smallest, so this will be A minus D, and this is the largest, so this will be A plus D, because three sides are in arithmetic progression, so this will be A. Right, since this is the smallest, so this will be small. So this is smallest, A minus D, so this will be A minus D, and since this is smallest and this is smallest and also this is largest, so in front of the side will be largest. So this, now it is also given that this radius is 1. So now what we get? Our A is, so in front of this is A minus D, then so this A and this A different. So suppose this is, we let A star. Right, so A minus D, so in front of this, so A minus D divided by sine T equals to V in V by sine B means A plus D, so A plus D divided by sine of pi by 2 plus T. So this is equals to A divided by, so A divided by this angle, sine of pi by 2 minus 2t. So this is equals to, since r is 1, so this will be 2 into 1, that means 2. So this is implies that A minus D is sine t, and A plus D is what? Sine of pi by 2 sine t. So this will be 2 into sine of pi by 2 plus t, that means cos t. And also A will be 2 into sine of pi by 2 minus 2t, that means cos 2t. Now what we have to find? We have to find the area A. Right, area A. So suppose this area is A, because there is also A, so suppose this is capital A. So what will be the area? Area A will be nothing but half, you know the formula, half into any sides, that means suppose A plus 2D and A minus D into angle between them. So it will be A plus D into A minus D into, this is sine of pi by 2 minus 2t. So this will be half into this is sine 2 sine t into 2 cos t into this will be cos 2t. Now why we take these sides only? Because it is easy to find sine 2t. So if we can find sine 2t, then it will be easy for us to find to put the value, because this is, we get this is sine 2t, because 2 sine t cos t into cos 2t. So let us find sine 2t. So what will be sine 2t? Now if we add, so what we get, this will be 2, this will be 2a equals to, if we add these two, 2 into cos t plus sine t. So this is implies that a equals to cos t plus sine t, right? Then this is implies that a square will be cos square t plus sine square t, that means 1 plus 2 sine t cos t. So this will be 1 plus sine 2t. Now what is a square? A square is 4 cos square 2t, and this is equals to 1 plus, this is sine 2t, so 1 plus sine 2t, right? So this implies that 4 minus 4 sine square 2t equals to 1 plus sine 2t. So this is implies that 4 sine square 2t plus sine 2t minus 3 equals to 0. So this can be written as 4 sine square 2t plus 4 sine 2t minus 3 sine 2t minus 3 equals to 0. This implies that 4 into 4 sine 2t into sine 2t plus 1 minus 3 into sine 2t plus 1 equals to 0. Now sine 2t plus 1 into 4 sine 3t minus 3 equals to 0. This cannot be 0 because sine 2t cannot be minus 1. So sine 2t is 3 by 4. So we get sine 2t is 3 by 4. So this will imply that this will get cancelled. This is 3 by 4 into root over of 1 minus sine square 2t, that means 9 by 16. So this will be 3 by 4 into root 7 by 4. So 3 root 7 by 16. Now we have to find what? We have to find 64a whole square. So 64a whole square, this is equals to 64 into 64 into a square means this square. So 3 root 7 into 3 root 7 divided by 16 into 16. So this is 4, this is 4. So 16 into 9 into 7. So this will be 16 into 37. So this will be 48 into 96, that means 1008. So this will be the answer for this question, 1008. Now what will be the next, what will be for the next? So next we have to find in radius of the triangle ABC. So the formula of in radius formula is nothing but r equals to, so the area, that means this area A divided by S means the, so perimeter by 2, right? That means, so this is equals to A means 3 root 7 by 16 divided by, so what is perimeter? Perimeter is A minus D plus A plus A plus D, that means 3a. So this ends means perimeter by 2. So this is equals to 3 into 2 root 7 divided by 3 into 2, 3 into 2 into root 7 divided by 16 into 3a. So this 3 will get cancelled. Now we have to find a. So what is the value of a? So how to find a? So a is our cos. A is what? A is 2 cos 2t. Now we know the value of sine 2t, because sine 2t is 3 by 4. So what will be the a? A will be 2 into root over of 1 minus 9 by 16. So this will be 2 root 7 by 4. That means root 7 by 2. So this will be 2 root 7 divided by 16 into a means root 7 by 2. So this 7 will be get cancelled, this will get cancelled, 1 by 4, that means 0.25. So for this will be 0.25. So this is the question, with very easy question this one. And thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you have any doubt you can comment down below also, and if you like this video you can share with your friends. Thank you everyone once again. Bye.